Si Ken, si Anatea. Okay, do not forget their names, ha? Okay, at the back, ulit tayong bagong kasama. Ayan. Kasi, wapo kayo. Okay, sige. Sige, introduce yourself. Ayan, kanina po na ba tayo? Okay, so we have Kuya Alexis. Let's clap our hands for Kuya Alexis. Ayan, so nandito na rin si Kuya Alexis before, ha? Tignan tayo na ni Kuya Alexis. Okay, sino pa ba? Ayan. Okay, sige, si... Si Kate. Kate. Ayan, let's clap our hands for Kate. Ayan, daw, pwede niyong gamitin. Brush number 11 or number 10? Okay. Brush number 11 or number 10?
I'm picking 10.
Wala kayo isang brush lang na. The rest of the brush, ilagay niyo na ulit sa envelope. Okay. Pakilagay na lang ng envelope sa baba or sa inyong baba ng inyong mesa. Okay. Okay, yes. Please leave a little one space from yellow where you are going to put your blue paint. Yes. Then again, after you scoop your blue, what will you do? Okay, wash your brush. Wash your brush properly. Tanggalin nyo ating blue paint. Okay. Tanggalin yung blue paint. Ayan, prepare na. Pwede na ulit. Okay, close your color blue. Paki-close po ng ating color blue. Ibalik natin sa pwesto. And then let's have color red. Okay, let's have color red. Open your color red. And again, I want you to put your color red not next to blue, but leave a space after blue before you put your color red. Yan. Yan, oh. Okay, do not put it next to color blue. Huh? Okay. So, scoop enough red color. Yan.
Okay, this is now too much. Or do I feel kind of waste?
Okay. And then again, after you scoop your red paint, kindly wash your brush. Okay, kindly wash your brush. Ayan. Tapos na? Pass. Red, purple, red, orange, and yellow orange. Okay. Kompleto na. Kompleto na. Yes, we have now our complete set of colors. Okay. So we almost... it's okay. By the way, everyone listen. By the way, black and white are not colors.
I knew it.
They are what we call shades. Everybody says shades.
Shades.
Okay, if we want to darken our colors, then we can add black. But if we want to lighten our color, then we can add white. Good. Yeah. Good. Now this time, John? Not yet. Sige na. Sa pawis na. Ay, maganda sa brush. Maganda sa. Okay na. Okay na?
This is not Wala pa.
Tapos na kayo? Sige, 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 sige. Sige, sige. Sige, we'll wait for everybody. Yan. Ito, meron na tayo. Yellow, green dito sa number 2. Not yet. For a while. Let's wait for everyone. Okay. If we mix our green and blue, what will be the color? Blue-green. So let's put our blue-green on number 4 between our blue and green. Yeah. Blue-green for number 4. Blue-green. Yeah, it looks like a dark green, huh? Because we have it mixed with blue. Yeah, no, it looks like a dark green. Yeah, no?
Blend boring or something empty when trying to process it properly. So let's start at the beginning. You might know about the script when you learned about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Of course, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. When mixed together, these make the secondary colors green, orange, and purple. Take a step further, and you get the tertiary colors.
Next! Not done yet. Done? Okay. Another orange. I will put it on this part. Another orange. Yan. Dito sa may baba, oh. Dito, oh. And here, orange. Go!
Done.
Oh, so nice. Diba?
Done.
Diba? Diba? Okay, then wash your brush. Okay, wash your brush. For the next color, let's have our purple. And I want you to put your purple on this part. This one. Yeah,
Wait,
yes, sir.
you should use brush 6.
Diba?
I think you should use
Tina?
brush 6 for this. Brush 6 and brush 8 are basically the same.
Okay. Wait lang. Okay, done? Okay, next. Clean your brush. Okay, next. Let's have yellow orange. And I want you to paint it dito. Here, oh. Yellow orange. Yeah. Okay. Yes, for birds, they use their feet as also their hands. And so their claws can be their feet and their hands.
Done.
Go! Yan. Okay. Install it now. Okay!
Not yet.
Daniel, it's okay. Sige, sige. Tapusin niya na.
Finally. What are we gonna do tomorrow?
Okay. So if you're done, you can have now your picture taking with Mom L. Alright, may pangalan na? Okay. Painting landscape tayo tomorrow. Thank you. Wait, ako sila. Yeah. No, not yet tomorrow. Maybe on Friday. We're gonna do that Friday. Ha? Sana?
Did it make it any better?
See? Diba? Pangalan? Order na to, pangos dos. Pangos dos, guys. So, doon ka, Rex?